afternoon to you, and welcome to visit our company. And we are HENRY QTJ4-40 block machine company. And in my back is our popular used and wholesale model of QTJ4-40 block making machine. Now you can see there are totally 9 pieces of the QTJ4-40 block making machine. And this model is our wholesale. It's very popular. I think it's most popular used in Africa. And also, this order is placed by our customer who is from Africa. And this customer is got a tender from the state, from the country state. The tender. So he placed the order at one time of 9 pieces of QTJ4-40 block making machine. Now is what you saw now. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are totally 9 pieces of QTJ4-40 block making machine. This order is placed by India buyers who will ship all the block machine to Africa. And I want to make an introduction for this particular. And not totally he buy 9 block making machine together with 27 pieces of the mold. And the models of the mold is 400 by 200 by 200. And the second one is 400 by 150 by 200. And the third one is 400 by 100 by 200. So there are total 3 different models of the blocks. But totally the number of the mold is 27. And this one is 400 by 200 by 200. So the width is 200, and it can produce 4 pieces at one go. And like this one is the width is 100 mm. The width of the blocks is 100 mm. So at one go it can produce 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces blocks at one go. And for example, this one. This mold is 6 inches. It's 6 inches. It's also 150 mm. 150 mm. It can produce 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks at one go. And also today I'm going to test all of the 9 pieces of the block machine with the 27 pieces of the block mold, because we have the company policy before the shipment, and before the shipment we will test each mold of the block machine. Before shipment we will test each mold of the block machine. So this afternoon we are going to test all of the molds, all of the block molds before shipment. And also inside this order, this customer also buy 9 pieces. 9 plus it is 17 pieces of the concrete mixer. We are equipped with the block machine for their product. So later I will show you the concrete mixer they bought. Okay. Thank you so much for your time to watch my video. And if you have any question, please leave comments under our video, under my video. Thank you. Goodbye.